5 underwater discoveries that cannot be explained. UFOs, the lost evidence, alien base. There's a particular picture which was clicked by Peter Lindberg, Dennis Osberg and their Swedish Ocean X diving team. This sea exceptionally refers to interpretation of an indistinct sonar image. This team often describe themselves as either treasure hunters or salvage operators. They are a specialized team who are responsible for the searches of sunken antique high-end beverages and historic artifacts. The picture they clicked consisted of something as lying on the seafloor. When their actual search was going on for old shipwreck, they came across this blurry object present in the photo during the summer in 2011. The photo can be described as 60 meters wide circular object, and they also claim that the picture also spots something that resembles ramps, stairways and other structure that aren't natural product of nature. Underwater rivers complete with trees, leaves, and waterfalls. There are yet continuous researches going on for underwater as many little of it is discovered. Huge portion of this world is yet waiting to be revealed. This was one weird natural occurrence that was spotted by the divers. It was sighted in the Black Sea, where currents of water are 350 times greater than the River Thames in London. This undersea river was measured to be 115 feet deep in places, which also holds waterfalls and rapid within it just like on land. The amount of water discovered in it is equal to as if having the 6th biggest river on Earth, only if it was on land. Pyramids aren't just in Egypt, it's in underwater as well. The first image that pops in our head after hearing pyramids are the towering objects present in Egypt in northern Africa. Now, no more will that be the case after listening to this discovery. A private yacht owner named Diocletiano Silva managed to retrieve a strange object from the depth of the river from about 40 meters. It was a perfect squared size object. The chances of it being as a natural occurrence were nil, and hence it was believed that something or even someone had have to place it there. The pyramid height was as high as 60 meters and 8,000 square meters at the base. It is located between two islands named Terceira and São Miguel. The object, its size and the location makes it mysterious. It's oriented upon 4 cardinal directions called north, east, south and west. Since it faces the 4 cardinal directions at once makes it further peculiar. The finger of demise is ice cold. With numerous amount of discoveries that human are leading to, yet there are many secrets and developments yet to be invented. Nature offers many facts that are mostly quite unbelievable. One such frightening fact is named as ice finger of demise. It's icicle of salty brine water and resembles just like a finger. The phenomenon occurs due to cold sinking brine which is denser than rest of the water. What happens is it comes in contact with the warmer water below the surface to form a brine acle. However, during winters, the temperature of the air above the sea ice reaches below 20 degrees Celsius through the seawater remains at -1.9 degrees Celsius. The heat penetrates from the warmer sea to the cold air, which results in new ice from the bottom. This new ice carries salt which is concentrated and dragged into the brine channels. As it is chilly and salty, it becomes denser than the water present beneath. As this brine exits the sea ice, it's held responsible to freeze relatively fresh seawater that it comes in contact with. Loki's castle is not in Asgard. This mystery lies beneath the oceans of Arctic. This castle was discovered by the researchers from the University of Bergen in Norway. If one wills to have a glance over Norwegian's culture, then this is it. The information gathered by the team explains how there is an entire ecosystem residing on volcanic seamounts under extreme conditions in the Arctic Sea.